Hello my friends, today we are inside the garage. It is raining, sleeting, snowing, not a very good day to be outside, but we have the perfect video for you today. Today we're going to be talking about the Muck Boot. Right here, I'm going to bring it right in. This is a great boot. You have neoprene from here to here, where this turns into rubber. It's got good tread on the bottom. You can see I've worn these for a little while. They're not all that old, but these boots here are great for going out, snow blowing the driveway, trekking your trap line, going out hunting, fishing. I use them a lot in the spring when I'm launching the boat out in the water and I don't need hip waders, but I just need to get into the water just a little bit so I don't have to get wet. But these are great boots for that. So with that, we're going to take you outside right now and we're going to go over a little bit more how the durability of these boots. And they do have this little hook thing right here to be able to pull the boot on and off. So let's go outside and I'll show you what this boot looks like. As you can see, I am outside. It is crappy outside, very unpleasant, but let's get you a good look at these boots in the weather conditions. And as you can see, they go through the mud, the snow. Yes, I don't have a lot of snow, I know, but it's coming. We're supposed to get 6 to 12 inches just today, and it goes through the puddles of water, no problems. These boots cost around $100 on sale. That's what I picked them up for. I hope you enjoy these boots. Definitely check them out, guys. You'll really like them. And I'll see you next time.